Welcome back to Biotech Wonders, the captivating channel dedicated to biotech techniques. Today's video is all about mastering the SDS-PAGE technique. We will be covering everything you need to know in order to become an expert in SDS-PAGE. So, let's begin with the requirements for gel preparation. We will need acrylamide, bisacrylamide solution in the ratio of 29:1, that is 29 gram of acrylamide and 1 gram of bisacrylamide in 100 milliliters of water. HCl buffers pH 6.8 for stacking gel and pH 8.8 for resolving gel. The components of these buffers will be shown during the video. Sodium dotyl sulfate 10%. Ammonium persulfate 1%, which should be freshly prepared. Tetramethyl-ethylene-diamine, TMED. And SDS-PAGE gel electrophoresis system. We will require autoclaved distilled water, a discarder, 70% ethanol, the buffers, butanol, TMED, APS, 30% acrylamide, and the casting unit. Keep in mind that acrylamide is neurotoxic, so handle carefully. Also, it's good to cover your work area with blotting sheets when working with unpolymerized acrylamide. Wear your gloves and let's get started. First, clean the glass plates properly using 70% ethanol. Now carefully assemble these plates. Make sure that the knot should be on the front upper side. Open the clamps. Now place these plates in the clamp and then close the clamp. Be careful while doing this step as the glass plates can easily break. Place the assembled clamp on the casting unit. Before proceeding, it's important to ensure that the assembly is done correctly. For this, we will add distilled water and fill up the glass plates up to the top. And then we will leave the setup as it is for some time and check back later. We can see that the water level is the same and has not decreased. This indicates there is no leakage and confirms that the setup is correct. Discard the water to empty the glass plates. Use filter paper to soak up any excess water traces remaining between the plates. After confirming this, we can now proceed to the next step. The setup is ready and now we can prepare the resolving gel. For this, take a small beaker. Add 3 milliliters of autoclaved distilled water. Add 4 milliliters of 30% acrylamide solution. As we are making a resolving gel, we will add 2.5 milliliters of tris buffer with pH 8.8. Add 100 microliter of 10% SDS solution. We have freshly prepared the APS solution. And now we add 250 microliter of this APS solution and mix it properly. Finally, we will add 8 microliter of timid to initiate the gel polymerization. Mix the solution properly and then immediately add this solution in between the glass plates of the casting unit. If you are not comfortable pouring using the beaker, then you can alternatively use a pipette to do this step. Slowly add drops of butanol to form an even layer on the top of the resolving gel. Butanol has lower density than the gel and hence will remain on the top. The purpose of butanol is to produce a smooth and completely uniform level surface on top of the gel, so that bands are straight and uniform. Allow the gel to solidify for about 30 minutes. Once the gel is solidified, remove the butanol from the top layer with the help of filter paper. Our next step is to wash the gel with distilled water in order to remove any traces of butanol on the surface. Then remove this water layer using the filter papers, as we have done previously. should be done until the filter paper is completely dry. Our resolving gel is now ready. Next we will prepare the stacking gel. For this, take an empty beaker and add 2.7 milliliters of autoclaved distilled water. As stacking gel is of low percentage than the resolving gel, we will add only 670 microliter of 30% acrylamide solution. Next, add 500 microliter of the tris buffer with pH 6.8. Add 40 microliter of 10% SDS solution. Add 200 microliter of 10% APS solution. Finally, add 8 microliter of timid and mix the solution properly. Pour this solution slowly above the resolving gel. After pouring, place the combs carefully and let the gel solidify for some time. Our SDS-PAGE gel is now ready. Here we list the detailed composition of both the gel and tris HCl buffers for your reference. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for our next video, where we will guide you through how to run and analyze the SDS-PAGE gel.